Your seatbacks and tray tables securely locked in the upright position. In the unlikely event that
use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop. Nice and solid. What vehicle is this?
92 Honda Accord Wagon.
Accord. So did you build this too?
Nope, this was built by Joel Walker,
Okay.
who unfortunately isn't with us anymore.
Yeah.
So I don't know, no one knows the tuning really, because he just did things and built it.
Yeah. Are these XT4 Crossfire 18s?
Yes.
Okay. This is a unique port. So he made this too?
Yep, it's a six-order design all by him.
How big is it? Do you know the
It's
circle size?
21 inches
Okay.
and like 11 or 12 inches deep.
That is really cool. I like this design. It's one of a kind. Nothing in that style aspect I've seen. Oh, I like that.
Yeah,
very
please.
nice. How much power in a lithium alternator?
I got a 80 amp hour proto sitting right behind us right here.
Oh, okay.
It's on a Crossfire XT8K.
Uh-huh.
And I got a 2004 on the mids and a 502 on the highs.
Okay. All right.
And it plays low.
Low. Low tune monster. All right. What do you, when you say low, do you mean like teens low or?
Oh, it'll play 16, 17
Oh, wow.
hertz. This,
I like that. These are really punchy, or not punchy, but like really big motors.
yeah.
Man.
I've had them for almost a year now.
Yeah.
And I've beat the dog snot out of them. They just keep taking it.
Yeah. Are they
It's stinky.
4-inch coils?
Yep. That's the 4-inch, and I got an 8K at half ohm. That's all. So let's see at everything they can throw at it.
Oh yeah. Nice job. I like that.
You look at the back too.
Yeah, man, I would love to. Oh, you really optimize your space in the Civic.
Oh yeah.
Go all the way in. So the battery's in the front too.
Yep, right behind us.
Yeah, that's why you showed me. So you can fit your amps here and the battery up front. Optimize your space for sure. Wow. And you said this was at 0.5?
Yep. And it stays as cool as can be.
Oh yeah. It's a good amp. Is it an upgraded alternator?
Yes.
Yeah. I like to see everything, sorry.
320 amp alternator CES.
Okay. Awesome. Appreciate it, man. Oh yeah, yeah, let it set down. That helps keep it cool right there.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Awesome. Team Heavyweight.
I like to pull hair. Be sure to give them a like. Crazy demo.
So this song's 20 right here.
Okay.
We're gonna let it eat.
Yes, sir.
4 minutes
All right.
and 7 seconds. We will be flying at an altitude of 20,000 decibels and ask that your safety belts be securely fastened at all times. Your seatbacks and tray tables securely locked in the upright position. In the unlikely event that the 18s in your seat blow, the overhead compartment will open and is equipped with 4 5-gate 12s. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy
your journey into bass. your journey into bass.
That's another really clean bandwidth build there.
Nice.
Really
Like I
good
said,
job.
That was 20 hertz and it plays it with authority.
Yes.